Today we're going to look at my Hobby King Basher BZ 888. Okay, so I bought this to do a bit of 1/8 racing, but it turned out to be a bit on the fragile side, not really built as tough as it could be. So I ended up actually changing to the Armour Typhon, which is actually 10 times better car. Goes really well, really pleased with that. So this one I've decided to turn into a project car. I'm going to do a speed run with it, see what sort of speed I can get out of it. So what I've done is I've taken the running gear out of my Typhon and put it into here. So we've got the 180 amp speed control, 2050 kV 1/8 motor, and the steering servo from the Armour. So all I've really done is put a 22 tooth pinion on there, and it should go quite well. I've got a 6 cell 130C discharge pack coming, so I've moved it because that speed control is so big. I've had to move the battery all to one side, which is fine. Keeps it all a bit tidier. So I've got these road tyres for it. They're quite solid, as you can see. So hopefully they'll stand up to the speed. So the stuff that I've actually put in there has come from my Typhon. In the Typhon I've put my 150 amp Toro TS 150, and I've got a Trackstar 2350 kV 1/8 motor in there, and much faster servo, and hopefully much more reliable. This thing goes really well. It's basically just a Durango DX8 with a few, not quite as adjustable, but even so it goes really well around the track. And it's an awesome looking car too. Looks fantastic. Flies really well in the air. So anyway, back to this. I've lowered it down pretty much as low as I can get it. And once this battery arrives, we'll get it in there, put the GPS on it, and see what it will do. Okay, so now the battery has arrived. It's a Nanotech 5000 milliamp hour, 65 to 130C discharge. It's huge, as you would imagine. Come across a slight problem in that it doesn't fit in the battery tray of a car. In fact, it barely fits in the car at all. So any solution I could come up with, well, easy solution, was to velcro it in place. This is quite strong velcro, but yeah, it holds it there pretty steady. It's not going to fall out unless I have a major rollover or something like that. It'll probably come flying out, but best solution for that is don't crash. So as you can see, it fits in there with very little space to spare. Pretty tight in there, and then it just fits into this bit here. So it's in there, it's on, Velcro, and you can pick the car up with it. So yeah, it's pretty tough, it's not going to fall out easy. So now she's all ready to go. Time to take it out and see what it'll do. Could do. Alright, 6 cell pack in. GPS on. Alright, here we go. This speed run.
Woohoo! 6 cell battery. Cow.
Go the other way. Have you passed? Okay, so first run was 100 kilometers an hour.
See if we can do a little bit faster.
You done it?
Yep. Holy cow!
Yeah, it just blew the tire.
God. God. Look at that. It's wrecked. Oh no. Look at that. Pure destruction.
Wow.
Oh look, I can see the tire patch. Did I get it?
Okay, so we're back from our speed run, and yes, we have to class that one as a fail. Only got 100 kilometers an hour, and that was just getting on to full throttle. So the second time, that second run where it did the wheel stand was about the same spot, just pulling it on to full throttle as well. I guess that battery's pumping a lot of power, and I'm going to have to find a way to keep the front on the ground a bit better. Obviously going to need a different set of wheels and tyres. These ones not quite up to the job, but then when they're off the ground and spinning like that, I guess they haven't got much chance. Okay, so that'll be my next part of the project. So in the next video we'll see if we can get it running up to its top speed, see what that'll be. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.